To earn interest on Binance, you can utilize several features offered by the platform. Binance Earn. Binance Earn allows users to earn interest on their cryptocurrencies through various products, such as flexible savings, locked savings, and high-yield products. You can deposit your crypto assets into these products and earn interest based on the terms and conditions of each option. Staking. Binance supports staking for certain cryptocurrencies, allowing users to participate in network validation and earn staking rewards. Users can stake their assets directly on Binance or participate in staking pools. Lending. Binance also offers a lending platform where users can lend out their crypto assets to margin traders and earn interest on the loans. This is typically done through Binance's peer-to-peer lending marketplace. Launchpad. Binance Launchpad allows users to participate in token sales and earn rewards in the form of new tokens. By investing in projects launched on Binance Launchpad, users can potentially earn rewards if the project succeeds.